This is the installation of NavTool Nav-RGB 2.0 Navigation Video Interface Maybach E-Series. This video shows only the process of installing the NavTool interface, not the entire disassembly of the vehicle dashboard. Please note that professional installation is recommended. Watch the entire video before starting the installation. Visit NavTool.com for more information. This interface enables you to display video input from your iPad, iPhone, and iPod on the Maybach navigation screen. It provides video and audio connectivity for numerous devices using composite input. Nav-RGB 2.0 is compatible with the Maybach navigation systems. For this installation, you will need the Phillips screwdriver. Step 1. Removal of the top radio cover. Remove 2 screws from the top panel of the radio and lift the cover. Step 2. Disconnecting the ribbon cable. Carefully disconnect the ribbon cable from the radio as shown. Make sure not to apply excessive pressure on both the cable and the slot. Step 3. Disconnecting the ribbon cable from the front of the radio. Disconnect the ribbon cable from the front of the radio. Use caution and make sure not to damage either the cable or its connector, and especially the connector tabs. Step 4. Install the NavTool board and the supplied ribbon cable. Connect the additional ribbon cable and the NavTool board to the ribbon cable connected to the front of the radio as shown. Pay special attention to inserting all ribbon cables in the right direction into both the NavTool board and the radio connectors. Insert the ribbon cables in their slot as shown. Secure the board to the radio using the adhesive tape attached to the board. Step 5. Installing the cable. Cut the opening in the radio cover. In order to connect the NavTool cable, you'll need to cut an opening in the cover of the radio in the displayed spot. Step 6. Installing the cable. Insert and connect the NavTool harness to the radio. Before installing the cable, note a route for running it under the radio cover. You also need to make sure that the slot for the ribbon cable connecting the radio cover is not obstructed. Run the harness through the opening on the back and connect it to the radio. Step 7. Reconnect the second ribbon cable. Reconnect the ribbon cable from the cover to the radio and close the cover. Put the two screws securing the radio back in their places. Step 8. Installing and connecting the NavTool interface. Connect the NavTool interface to the second connector on the supplied harness. You also need to connect the wires from the harness as follows: parking brake, gray wire; accessory, red wire; push button input, yellow wire; reverse input, orange wire; ground, black wire. Finally, you'll need to connect Video 1 and Video 2 RCA connectors. Step 9. Testing the operation. To test the operation, press the power button of the radio and you'll be able to see the video input on the screen. This concludes the tutorial video for installing the NavRGB 2.0, the very first navigation video interface compatible with the Maybach vehicles. Please keep in mind that the NavTool video interface is compatible with any video source that has composite video output.